y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. We are going to be doing the April 2020 regular BoxyCharm unboxing. Now, I did sign up for this, and I also signed up for BoxyCharm Premium. The Premium, I'm not sure if it has shipped out yet or not, but we're going to go over the regular BoxyCharm. Now, this box retails for $25, and there's supposed to be over $100 worth of items in here, 5 to 6 full-size products. So I'm super excited to do this with y'all. I used to subscribe, I canceled, and then I was like, I want to subscribe again. I like getting new stuff. I like getting stuff at a discount, so hopefully this is a whole lot of fun for y'all as well. So, but again, I pay for this myself. It's not something anybody else pays for me. So let's get started. I haven't even cut the tape. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. So I can already see some products in here. So I'm guessing they don't really wrap it up or anything like that anymore. And I don't see the detail card. So we'll just kind of go from there. Okay, so the first thing I see in my box is these, which are Baddington Beauty Harlow 3D lashes. So those are what those look like. Plus it comes with some glue. I'm not sure if I'm the biggest fan of these, but that's what they look like. So I'll probably give those to Nadia because she loves lashes of any type. I really wish the little card was in here that told you. Maybe they just forgot to put it in my box, which is a possibility. So, you know, this one I won't be able to tell you the retail cost of everything, but there are some expensive products, I can already tell you that. Next is the iconic London Illuminator Drops. So it's like a liquid highlighter. So this is definitely more of like a champagne-y gold. Not a bad color for my complexion. Looks pretty. Oh, and if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my face today, I am wearing the Coral Lip Gloss from the Smoky Glow and Midas Cosmetics collection. The cheek products are all from the Benefits All-Star Reunion Tour set, and then the eyeshadow is the Dior palette that I just did in my bougie Sephora unboxing. Next up is something I love to always get because I hate washing brushes. And y'all know I have so many of them, but it is a set of Lavish eye brushes. And they're beautiful colors too. So there is a tapered blending brush, a eye shading brush, a pencil brush, a fine line, and then an angled brush with a brow. And look at those colors, aren't those cute? And I really like these because they're kind of tiny and especially the shading brush or the blending brush, tapered blending, has a good shape to it. So I think we'll get some use out of those. And if you're wanting me to use any of these products in a tutorial, I will gladly do that. Or any of the products that I purchased for my bougie budget or bougie Sephora haul, just let me know. Next up, I got some QMS Intensive Eye Care. I am obsessed with eye creams. I haven't tried this brand. I'm not gonna open it up yet because I have an open eye cream, and once you open them and expose them to air, then they go bad faster. So I'll let you know in an empties how this goes, because skincare is extremely important to me, but I hate spending a big portion of my beauty budget on skincare. So if I can get some good skincare through this, awesome. Next up is the Benefit Professional Pore Minimizing Primer. And I think this is like $25, and it is a full size. So I haven't used a primer like this, a pore filling one, in a while. So we'll give it a go again. Primers are another one of those things, unless it's like the Tatcha one, I tend to not spend a lot of money on. Tatcha and Hourglass. And then last but not least, I got the Zoeva Artisto eyeshadow palette. So let's open her up. How do I open her up? I do like the outside packaging on it. It is a soft matte packaging, and it definitely has the 1920s Art Deco feel. So I'm excited to see the kind of colors that are in this. And I've never tried Zoeva eyeshadows before, so that will be fun. So it looks something like this. The colors are a little bit muted, but they're not bad. It's just a warm tone with more of a blue, so I mean it's a pretty standard across the board palette. So let's swatch a couple of these. So we'll swatch in the ground. First off, it feels nice and soft. Swatched pretty good. Let's try one of the shimmers. I think the shimmers are going to be a little lackluster, and that is the shade Prehistory, but they're pretty. Let's see what one of the mattes looks like, one of the lighter mattes. This one's called Plautus. That is pretty much my finger skin color, but it should show up better on the back of my hand. So that's what that looks like, a good nude shade. So I'm excited to play with that. As I said, I don't have any Zoeva products. So I know for sure that the Professional and the Zoeva palette definitely are over the $25. So I think this box is worth it? Yes, I definitely think this box is worth it. The things that I'm most excited about in this, honestly, are the eye brushes and the eye cream. So, but even a low-end eye cream such as, and I'm not saying low-end because the Olay Regenerist, love that line. The eye cream for it's still like 15 bucks. So I feel like I'm getting a good deal. We'll see how it goes. Now let me know down below what was your favorite product out of the box. Let me know also if you want me to do a tutorial with any of these products. As I said, I will give a better review once I open this eye cream. It's kind of one of those things that I don't want to open up yet. And then, you know, I'm gonna give Naughty the lashes. I do love the brushes, and I do like the sleeve that they came in. So these are by Lavish. So I guess that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite product is down below, and which ones you want to see in a tutorial. Also, let me know if you have any subscription boxes that you want me to check out, because I love subscription boxes. I feel like you get value for your money, especially because you can give things as gifts such as these. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all probably on Monday. Bye.